Chapter 5: The Igbo Wedding Celebration. Love Unites Us All. Kemi and her friends gathered once again, brimming with excitement for their next adventure in the Nigerian journey. Today, they were going to explore the enchanting world of the Igbo wedding celebration, a joyous occasion that celebrated love and the union of two families. Kemi explained to her friends, in Nigeria, weddings are grand celebrations filled with vibrant colors, music, and traditions. The Igbo wedding, in particular, is a beautiful affair that brings together families and communities in joyous unity. To give her friends a glimpse of the festivities, Kemi led them to a village adorned with vibrant decorations and traditional Igbo attire. The air buzzed with anticipation and happiness as they approached a colorful outdoor venue. As they entered, Kemi's friends gasped at the sight before them. The venue was transformed into a paradise of bright colors, with intricately woven fabrics, vibrant floral arrangements, and beautiful traditional Igbo motifs adorning every corner. Kemi pointed to the center stage, where the bride and groom, dressed in resplendent Igbo attire, stood with beaming smiles. Meet Adaora and Chinedu. Kemi introduced her friends to the couple, who greeted them warmly. Kemi explained the significance of the Igbo wedding customs, such as the Igbangwa ceremony, a traditional engagement where the families of the bride and groom exchange gifts, prayers, and blessings. The ceremony symbolized the union of two families and their commitment to supporting the couple. The melodious sound of traditional Igbo music filled the air as everyone gathered for the lively festivities. The rhythmic beats and enchanting melodies set the stage for a day of celebration and joy. Kemi's friends watched in awe as the couple, accompanied by their families and friends, danced to the traditional music. The movements were graceful, filled with joy and love, as they swayed to the rhythm of drums and the strums of the udu. The air was filled with laughter, song, and dance as guests joined in the celebration. Kemi's friends were invited to participate in the traditional dances, guided by the joyful spirits of the occasion. Kemi's friend, David, couldn't resist the urge to join the energetic Ojin dance, characterized by the rhythmic beats of the Ojin gong. With every step, David felt a sense of unity and belonging, as if he was part of the vibrant tapestry of Nigerian culture. As the day progressed, Kemi's friends witnessed the solemn Igba Ada ceremony, where the bride was adorned with beautiful jewelry, a symbol of her transition into married life. They marveled at the intricate patterns and the significance behind each piece. Kemi's friends also enjoyed a delectable feast, featuring a variety of traditional Igbo dishes. They savored the flavors of ofe nsala, jollof rice, and the famous ngwobi dish. The aroma of the food tantalized their senses, and they embraced the spirit of sharing and camaraderie. As the sun began to set, Kemi and her friends bid farewell to Adaora, Chinedu, and their families. They felt a deep appreciation for the beauty of love and the unifying power of weddings, regardless of cultural backgrounds. Walking back home, Kemi and her friends shared stories and reflections on the enchanting Igbo wedding celebration. They realized that love knows no boundaries and that celebrations like these bring people together, celebrating the universal values of commitment, family, and unity. Inspired by the beauty and symbolism of the Igbo wedding, Kemi found herself contemplating the meaning of love and unity in her own life. She thought about her own family, their shared experiences, and the support they provided one another. She realized that love truly had the power to transcend cultural boundaries and bring people closer together. Filled with anticipation for the next chapter of her Nigerian journey, Kemi couldn't help but feel grateful for the opportunity to experience such a joyous occasion. The Igbo wedding celebration had left an indelible mark on her heart, reminding her of the power of love, unity, and the bonds that tie families and communities together.